So we're going to be filling up our washer fluid. So the first thing you have to do is pop the hood. There's a lever just underneath your dash. It's right here. Just give that a pull, your hood will pop. And there should be a handle inside here. On some vehicles it's like this, and some are up here. You got your holder for your hood that goes into here. There's an arrow that points you where it has to go into. Your washer fluid would have a little symbol of a windshield with fluids. So you just pop that open. The best way to do it is you can do it on the side so you don't get any spillage. You just put your cap back on till it clicks, and your windshield washer fluid is now filled.